Today we'll talk about how can you find your activity on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on activity down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all activity you have here for mentions and threads, then here reactions and apps, then here invitations in this list. So like you see here, I have no activity yet, but if you have any of your activity, can you find it here in this list on your Slack app? So that's all you have to do to find this list. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.